How to change payment method on Lazada. The first things first is access your Lazada application and double check if you're currently running the latest version. If not, just go directly to your Google Play Store and look for your Lazada app and make sure that you update it. And once you have updated it, just go directly to your Lazada and log into your account. Now for you to be able to change your current payment method is there is going to be an option right side of the search option in here. So this is actually your wallet. So tap on that and in here you should be able to see multiple options like your transaction history, payment options, Lazada gift card, and so on and so forth. Now just head directly to payment options. So say for example you would like to choose or you'll be changing it to a PayPal payment method. Make sure that your PayPal account is fully activated and verified before you will be changing your payment options or your payment method from your GCash app. So as you can see, there are no current payment methods that I have, but these are the available um, payment options that I can go. So if you'd like from GCash, just simply tap GCash and you should be able to be directed to your GCash app for you to log into your account. So that's it. That's how you change payment method on Lazada.